Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I've got a new wallet. Yes, it is the Louis Vuitton Victorine Wallet in black Empreinte leather. I picked it up from Japanese Mercari. Yes, that's a thing. It's called Beanos, and you can now purchase items from Japanese Mercari sellers. Some of them appear to be just regular people selling stuff, and I got this from what appears to be a professional reseller, but I got a great price on it. I saved a few $100s. Yes, this retails for over $700 currently on the Louis Vuitton website. It's in pretty good condition overall. I mean, for the price I paid, I'm not unhappy. I feel like it was a pretty good value. The seller didn't disclose every little thing, but that's okay. So the gold hardware does have some scuffs and scratches. There are some light signs of wear. There's a little bit of tarnishing on the zipper pull. There is a little bit of cracking on the glazing just at the fold point, so it's not too big of a deal. It's more apparent when you open up the wallet. I would say this wallet is sort of compact. It has 6 card slots. It also has these 2 pockets here. You could do receipts, something like that. It's got a dedicated spot for cash, which I actually really liked, and it has a zipper pocket right here for coins or other items. So I'm gonna load this up and we're gonna see how bulky this is. The Empreinte leather I thought is in good condition. The embossing is deep, and I believe this one was made in 2019. The date code is in here. It's pretty hard, it's really hard to see the date code, but the date code is here. All right, so let's start putting some stuff in it. I'm one of those people, I do not put more than 1 card per slot. So here is some cash. Okay, yeah, fits nicely. And I want to explain why I went with Empreinte leather. This does come in canvas, but the canvas wallets in this particular style, there seems to be an issue over time where the edges sort of start to curl up and get warped. I've heard that the card slots are a bit stiffer with the canvas versions. So because this is a little bit softer, pliable leather, I thought it might be easier to get my cards in and out. Really nice wallet though. All right, so here's the cash in here. Let's put some cards in here. These are just like play cards I got. All right, slides in real nicely here. This middle one's a little bit tough. Let's see here. Yeah, it's getting a little bit stiff in here. I'm not sure if I would put cards in every slot. It might be good to just put them in the back one. Oh boy, yeah, this is a little tough here. It does get a bit stiff the more cards you put in here. Fully loading this, yeah, you're gonna sort of get to the stress point here. Let's put cards in here. I usually only carry about 4 cards, so I might just do the top slot and the bottom slot and leave the middle one empty. Yeah, when you have 3 cards on each side, I definitely would not put more than 1 card per slot. Stretch to the max here. You can put little things like you put receipts, something like that in these pockets, you know, your driver's license, something easy to get in and out. So let's see what happens when I close this up. Okay, so you can see it's not ridiculously bulky, but there is a little bit of bulk here. All right, let's put some coins in here. I'm not going to put a ton of coins, so there's a leather-lined zipper pocket here. I'm just going to put a few coins in here just to show you. Let's see here. These are a little bit thicker than real coins. Just going to put a few in here just to show you how, and I don't carry a lot of coins with me, but all right, yeah, this is just for effect here. Let's put another one here. All right, so let's zip up the pocket here. All right, yeah, this is starting to get bulky. So you can see with the coins in it, it does start to bulge out a little bit, but still, you know what? Still snaps shut very easily. All right, let's put more coins in it and see what happens here. Let's really load this up. This is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, let's see what happens if I put all the coins in here. All right, here it is with like a bunch of coins in here. And I was actually having kind of a hard time deciding between the Victorine wallet and the Zoe wallet. They're a similar price, but they're pretty different. The Zoe wallet has card slots going this way, and it also has like an outside pocket. I really did like the outside pocket. I thought that would be a nice convenience feature. All right, so here it is with a bunch of coins, 6 cards, and cash. I mean, not a lot of cash, just a bit in here. You could definitely put more cash if you wanted to. Let's close this up and see how bulky it is now with all of the coins in here. All right, still snaps shut fairly easily. This side's not as bulky as this side. This is for sure over an inch thick here. This side, a little bit slimmer, but you can get the idea and see how bulky it is with cash, cards, and a bunch of coins in it. I actually would not advise carrying this many coins in the wallet. All right, let's get everything out of here. All right, got all the coins out, and just as an experiment, I'm going to take out the middle cards because I would probably not carry 6 cards. I would probably really only do 4 at a time, and maybe like a receipt in one of these side pockets here. Even taking those 2 cards out made quite a bit of a difference here. So here it is with 4 cards and just cash, no coins. Let's try to snap it shut and see the difference. All right, definitely slimmer here. So yeah, this might be more of what I would do, just cash, a few cards, and maybe some stuff in one of these pockets. But really nice wallet, and I love how this has so many features. It's got plenty of card slots. It has a spot for your bills, paper bills, and a zipper pocket for coins or other things. You could also do something, if you don't do coins, you could put a hair tie in here or something else that's real thin. You could put like sanitizer wipes, anything in here that's kind of flat. That might be handy, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I really like Empreinte Leather. I think Louis Vuitton really does well with this particular material. It's in great shape, and I feel really happy with my purchase. And my experience with Japanese Mercari called Benos was I would say good. I bought this from what appears to be a Japanese reseller, and the shipping did take a little bit. So once you purchase something, it does take a little bit longer to ship. I would say it was definitely slower than when I shopped on Japanese eBay. So it took about 2 weeks to arrive. It was packaged well. This did not come with the dust bag or the box, but that's okay. As far as dimensions go, it's about 4.75 inches this way, and it's about 3.75 inches tall. And I would say it's about an inch thick if you've got it really packed. And comparing it to my Coach card case, obviously this is a bit bigger. So if you are carrying a tiny bag, an evening bag, this might not work, and you should probably switch to a card case. Like this is very slim and small. I would say the card case is about an inch smaller this way, and it is much, much slimmer. So if space is an issue, go with the card case. But if it's not, I think this is a beautiful wallet. Quite a nice luxury item, and while it is on the pricier side, it is something you use every day, and sometimes you just want a nice luxe item that you can take with you every day. So this is my overview of the Louis Vuitton Victorine Wallet. Check out some of my other videos. I have plenty more Louis Vuitton and other SLG and handbag videos here on the channel. I'm Jen, and I'll see you again in the next one.